Welcome to the new Boxall Profile Online Data Comparison Dashboard. You can now view a snapshot of your whole school data and create comparison reports to track progress over time, empowering staff and senior leaders to make data-informed decisions, helping them to plan support, resources, and interventions to ensure that pupil development and well-being is supported across the whole school. Simply click Compare Data on your homepage to get started. Here you will see a snapshot of your whole school data, levels of developmental and diagnostic difficulty across the school, the number of pupils who have been assessed and the split by gender, including gender neutral if applicable. All data is based on the latest assessments. You can save the snapshot as a PDF. You can now create a report comparing data between two time periods. Please note you will need to have completed multiple assessments for each pupil to make comparisons. Select the date ranges you would like to compare. For example, this academic year versus last academic year. Filter your data by whole school, groups or classes and other available filters. You can select to only include EBPs with assessments in both date ranges. When you are ready, click to View Report. You can now view your comparison report and track and measure progress for developmental and diagnostic difficulties across the chosen date ranges and filters. You can save a PDF of your report to print or share with colleagues.